say SM say any quarter away Osha Juma Kama.
Okay.
Or how be you how court the my back say the court cases no to the be a and I say you know our court. In name say court no Juma mo do me and pepe if you are nipa na from time to time and never about community and say better. But generally the court no na Juma Kama. You know this if I more car and say no court na Juma Kama the and so no. Obezi am for and time make ho no edi kan e be cases no free court na ema no ente. And into a book of tribunal, not tribunal cases war a regular course, no, it be alcohol. Now, my pressure on no other form. Anyway, well, you don't need to build a new court system. Current system, you have it me, I know what was the court at the end of the account. And I could further Opemsuo, there were about 100 courts. Due to cases now, course, a chair, which made is a 200 at the account or 300 at the account. Na court no Opemsuo baby na case load na akofom afi mo se we ni free ha we constitution say justice emanates from the people and into no pe say wo mo lawyers na wo mo judges and person dem man is tribunal the tribunal the architecture is such that you have one person or year lawyer name mo judge na the independent no a mo enye lawyers abeka wo na ye di asem and they can say so say o maximum for be di asem bia the current structure is so we maximum for di asem bia if you say you will be a friend jury trial and no judge tiadwem
okay
na o de nipa bia and nine enko akoka no in most cases here na ye murder trial and I say trial by indictment as a boni ya kese no yetumi ebe womo ekaka ho no mukudi asem nti say Opemsuo maximum for the asem you can add them as part of the jury system now I expanded the jury system no amano abba even the civil cases because in the United States criminal cases and civil cases they do it by jury trial genuinely we can expand the current structure enti your mom say adelo mpesu mu no excuse me mpesu mu media no eyi adeba ko mu kan say oh cases na che na ho tribunal dey immediate na trans umbe trans dey biada we see day by day city and the case is that there is nothing in the current structure so I want to make engage day by day city in any case most say mo the mark of 24-hour economy about course we do Accra most there's an afternoon course we are now be better now the judge is extend this system so across the length and breadth of the country now called to be linear morning course, afternoon course, and evening course. Now, almost no montra say I'm a peg and you can do that. And so, all the reasons they are advancing for introducing the tribunal, it can be catered for under the current structure. Now, tribunal, the entire Maya Krano, the empire, the history of the tribunal, the Ukruma, Kumasa Bontema, Menam, I a brew. In 2000 woman a boom my asem a tribunal system and no was some call near Bua Kumfo. Now no case Nipano is no name and Bremu is saying to now at the war airco. If you say yes, now it is Ghana for far with you. I think they try to cry and tell my any woman I say a young a buyer a year Mahamadan and Ababa Kwana Mesedano, almost a constitutional review committee. That constitutional review committee is number 2, one report essay, a year, sir, idea income. And they by the same idea more buying, say, that provisional constitution income, a figure, model erba. And you Usha, that's I say, I want to be you, Eddie, say, a per se, ye, attempting a current construction and every system. The judges never be a can whatever been count, yes, court to down count. I mean, if it's a case, content, they do to me at the technology. Abba said the baby could fly, or automate high court and be fair fast track high court no go to meet no what the above never be see but we can now kasa and I say machine record the mouse and then I feel a judge a betro and my case are contented. That's the kind of structure we are asking them to adapt rather than bringing this whole new tribunal. If it's a cat, it's going to be a child on the state. In fact,
no, okay, maybe that's a lawyer for that issue. Muna, ma yemshade has say, Intina is a minority in parliament. Mo hawan kasa any the system, and as the new system now, a buying a person or the ban, but mo any problem with the expansion, say or be the court system, but say a court system, but a new system now, mo de banuna, more problem with that.
But I think I've explained, sir, the current structure now, a bit near the court for more judges. We see any judges never, any judges, and a bit what's the new bill come for. And then you say, any side of bra, a month for fun who do a bit teacher, so the back, and we shouldn't accept that.
No, okay, good. Anti momon susu mu de momon hu say eye akwanya bi a ebema emra ne atentene ne wo man no so ye tietia so a entumi ma ye ma the good judgment.
Yes, and one thing is see me can structure na at least we try for the last 8 years no. Even ni shemu kana ade bi obo pesu mu di new tribunal bill dia. E be me ahwe ne CC ma yemfa court no easy court don kan yemfa more judges yemfa technology. It will solve all the problems they are talking about. Because you think you say cases cause I check. Do better contema. Now why the medical above court cases now
okay. Now lawyer Pacho per explanation now de my no not just say tribunal system no you be pet judge ba kwa no no yemra nimni.
The judge. Therefore be no judge.
Okay.
Oye emrenim baako pe na so yafa omo nyo emrenim so bi no akomo omo da wasem kwa yokubu okunfo me judges
no okay me patro na one a omo ye mienu na ye de omo be kan no omo no criteria ben na emra no ma ho kwan se ye nhwe ansa na yi saafo no de be kan
before in fact criteria be anto you hear we are appointing authority ne say the basic akwa we ko say NDC for no be bakugo wasem du ha ne obi okunfo na woko
da bi me patro but who can say criteria be any hodia and na say emra no me nim ni entra eno no fa criteria because enra ye ne lawyer ba ko chirem no ono no kire say nipa mienu na omode no be camera nim ni no ho e ye obi a ese say ono no ye either technocrat and as asem na omo kan no say nipa no ye obi a o expert e wom say na be obetumi aboa
atuni anase say baby anase baby a there is no such thing. The point is that the justice delivery is done by judges, not ordinary people. If they say ordinary people, but they sit as triers of facts. We use the jury system. They cannot understand the legal terminology any lawyer can. They cannot be triers of law. Now they are bringing them as triers of law, and that is what we are against.
Okay, thank you very much for the explanation about the tribunal issues and more problems. More say and kabino and shena on the tribunal issues now.